Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create a beautiful charm bracelet and pair of earrings with adorable little bead woven snowflake charms, as well as some 8mm crystal and a matte finish? And they just look like little snowballs. And if these products are still available, I will go ahead and link them down below in the description with my Amazon affiliate link. These adorable little bead woven snowflakes are from Sunny Clue, and it is a right angle weave. So if you're interested in seeing a tutorial with right angle weaves, head and link that down below. I have a few on my channel. These are just so cute. They're super lightweight, full of sparkle, and it's a mix between a 4mm bicone and a 3x5 little crystal round. And then you have size 11 seed beads to make your snowflake. And then we have our little 8mm crystal beads, which will be our little snowballs. You'll just need an earring wire, two eye pins, one for each earring, and then some head pins. And those are going to be for your little snowball embellishment. Then I have just a base of a chain from a charm bracelet with a little Austrian crystal to embellish my lobster claw. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as more design inspiration and tutorials. Let's start creating. Love these little snowflakes. Look how detailed they are. So pretty. And they come with a little tiny jump ring, like a little 4mm jump ring. So you don't have to add a jump ring. Little size 11 seed bead, you could attach like another little embellishment or connect the snowflakes together. So we're just going to take an eye pen. And this is just a standard eye pen, 22 gauge, and you can always make your own eye pens out of Softlex craft wire. So there's a little opening on your eye pen. You're just going to gently twist. This is just going to open the little loop or connection point, and we're going to attach it to our jump ring. I like to add jump rings to my little charms or embellishments on the bottom of my eye pins. Just gives it a little bit more mobility. Make sure everything is nice and secure. We don't want to lose our little snowflake. Then we're going to add on our little snowball. Now we'll be using our tool, the one-step looper. I am using it in the 1.5mm. This is the smallest of three sizes, a must-have for any jewelry maker. Then we're just going to add it into our tool and give it a squeeze. This is going to give us the perfect loop every time. I like to just bring in my round nose pliers, make sure that my loop is completely closed. If it's just slightly open, you do risk losing your little embellishment or charm. We're going to bring in our ear wire. So similar to how we opened our eye pin, we're just going to flip it upside down, at least for this style of earring, and just gently pull. So we have that opening. Then we're just going to add on our little attachment. Give it a close. We have adorable snowflake earrings. Super cute, and you can make these in about 5 minutes. So now we're just going to work on our charm bracelet. We're just going to need some jump rings. So I am going to use a 4mm jump ring. First, we're going to add our little snowballs or 8mm matte crystal to our head pins. And this is the same thing that we'll be making our wrapped loops with the one-step looper. And you can always make loops with a round nose plier. We're just going to make our wrapped loops. We just add our head pin into the tool. So if you have to make a lot of these bracelets or little embellishments, this is a wonderful tool to have. We'll just continue till we have all of our little snowballs. We're just going to take in our round nose pliers and make sure that everything is nice and secure for our little snowballs. So now we're just going to bring in our little charm bracelet and we get to embellish. And this charm bracelet has an extender chain. So I always like to add just a little charm at the end of each extender chain. And you can always add like a made with love charm if you want to as well. And you can always add more than one little embellishment on your head pin or tassel to each jump ring. So it just gives it a more complete finish. So now we're just going to add on our snowflakes, and they do come with jump rings. We're just going to add an extra one just so they can move more freely on your bracelet. And we're just going to add them on. And this charm bracelet is essentially just a giant jump ring connected together. See your adorable little snowflake and your snowball. So I'm going to add on my snowflakes first. And if you don't like the placing or they're too close together, it's just opening and closing a jump ring. So when we do that, we're just going to twist side to side. You never want to pull your jump rings apart. And we'll just add on our next little snowflake embellishment and give it a close. And when we close jump rings, we should hear a little click and we'll know it's secure. It's going to open up our jump ring. And you can always count the links on your charm bracelet if you want them even. So super cute, and it's beautiful as is, but we're just going to keep embellishing it. So we have all of our beautiful snowflakes added on. We're just going to add on the rest of our little snowballs. And then just give our jump rings a close. So we're just going to continue to add on the rest of our little beads to our bracelet. And you can always personalize it if you're giving this as a gift with someone's initials, or add maybe like a little penguin or a polar bear charm. So we'll just keep adding on the rest of our embellishments until we reach the end of our bracelet. And we have our adorable earrings and snowflake charm bracelet using beads from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the Amazon affiliate links where I purchase my items and supplies, as well as more bracelet and earring tutorial inspiration. Have an awesome day.